RIME, stock analysis, and RIME, stock prediction. Is it a buy right now? Watch this 1-minute video till the end, find out. So I'm observing Algorhythm Holdings stock and we're sitting at 13 cents, 20% down. So where the freaking heck are we heading next? One thing that I want to mention is that, look, I talked about how I want to see double breaks, and we already see like this second break happening here. And this is going to be, I mean, it has already been put at a stop loss and break even. Stop loss has been put to break even. And it's ultimately under the influence of the higher time frame trend with RIME. You know, like, this is also like not forever and just for right now. But, and I'm also like sticking to my edge that I've refined over 34,000 videos, yeah, right, over the last 4 years, spent thousands of dollars on mentors and courses. And I talked about this in the previous video, but if I saw a double break, I was willing to take things low, and we did see it. And guess what I'm going to do now? Absolutely nothing. I'll generally just wait, and I'm going to be patient by actually following other ticker symbols and having my attention there. But this, yeah, like, really, there's nothing else to do other than just wait. That's my 2 cents now, financial advice. If you want to make more money trading in a simple and way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.